Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by optimizing your game for smooth performance across hardware. Set a target frame rate of 60 or 144 FPS, depending on your monitor refresh rate. Lower the internal resolution to 1920 x 1080 and choose medium textures to reduce GPU load. Disable VSync and instead use a frame limiter to prevent input lag spikes. Close background apps using CPU and GPU resources, especially browsers and streaming apps. Update GPU drivers and use the latest game patches for stability improvements and reduce. Next, adjust controls and input for a smoother play feel and better aim. Set your mouse polling rate to 1000 Hz and select a DPI between 800 and 1600 for stability. Tune in-game sensitivity to a comfortable setting and validate with a 360-degree turn test. Disable mouse smoothing and enable raw input to reduce input latency and unpredictability. Configure key bindings ergonomically and use a 6 to 8 button mouse layout for quick access. Practice these settings in a training map for consistent muscle memory. Finally, ensure your network and hardware support smooth online play without interruptions. Use a wired Ethernet connection and aim for ping below 50 ms to your game servers. Enable quality of service on your router and close bandwidth-heavy apps like torrent clients. Consider upgrading to an SSD and keep at least 20% free disk space for consistent load times. Maintain CPU temperatures below 80 degrees C and ensure your GPU operates at stable clock speeds. Regularly clean dust from fans and update firmware for best reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.